How do we turn underutilized machine tools into high-performance engines for customer satisfaction? SimData notes the impact of complexity on machine shops. In order to make the more complex parts, more capable and flexible machining is required. These machines have specialized capabilities that require specialized programming. In particular, multifunction machines provide significant productivity increases by using multiple turrets and spindles to work simultaneously on a part, performing both milling and turning operations in many cases. Multifunction machines are the latest advance in turning centers and mill turns. These machines get more done in fewer setups. They often perform multiple cuts simultaneously, bringing the advantages of transfer line to the more general machining center. They often combine milling and turning functions in a variety of configurations. These specialized machines must be carefully programmed to get the full benefit of their capabilities. Multifunction machines are often turning centers at heart. Whether they include extra turrets and spindles or additional live tooling capabilities, they spend a lot of their time tackling turning tasks. CAM Express has a complete turning product, including rough and finish turning, facing, and boring. More and more often, the live tools are able to move in 5-axis for both positioning and simultaneous cutting. CAM Express provides all the milling functionality required for these cases. From simple planar cuts in any orientation to full simultaneous 5-axis milling, the milling needs of a multifunction machine are met with CAM Express. The most efficient multifunction machines perform more than one task at a time. Turning centers with multiple turrets and multiple spindles need to synchronize multiple programs for optimal production. CAM Express Synchronization Manager makes it easy to optimize multiple program channels with graphical tools, much like video editing. Keep track of total time, idle time, and simulate the interaction of the different channels. Try different approaches until you find the most efficient result. Visualization is a necessity with a multifunction machine. It is important to check each cut, and it doesn't make sense to wait until the program is finished to start visualizing it. Machine simulation is integrated right into the programming environment, so cuts can be visualized at any time. Visualize, make an adjustment, and visualize again without ever leaving the system or moving data around. And notably, CAM Express simulates the actual G-code, which means that the same code that goes to the machine is being simulated. There will be no surprises waiting on the machine. Multifunction machining describes a wide variety of multi-turret turning centers and mill turn machines. This mill turn part has a complete program that addresses all the turning and milling requirements. We can start the material removal verification to see the turning and milling operations using and updating the same in-process workpiece in the same programming environment. CAM Express is a true mill turn environment. Multifunction machining also covers multiple spindles, so that parts like this can be programmed on either end and completed in one combined program. So we quickly see that turning and milling systems are working together, using the same in-process workpiece model and building complete mill-turn programs on 2 spindles. But let's take a closer look by simulating the actual machine motion for this program. This program will run on one of the new mill turns with a lower turning turret and an upper milling head. When we include the machine, we now have as much of the machine model to view as we like. We'll hide some of the doors and covers to give a better view, but the full machine model is there, and we'll see the machine motion as it would occur on the shop floor. For multifunction machinery, machine simulation includes the display of multiple channels of motion. In this case, the lower turret and upper head programs are both displayed and simulated at the same time. The Synchronization Manager allows the programmer to organize these different motion channels and synchronize them for best effect. In some cases, the turret might stay parked while the milling head operates. At other times, they might move together. This level of machine simulation and synchronization is critical to producing programs with the shortest elapsed times and the highest levels of confidence. Using CAM Express to program a modern multifunction machine can help shrink cycle times, producing more parts per week. Plus, the advanced visualization tools reduce setup and prove-out times, so the machine is up and running productively on a new job even sooner. So how do we turn underutilized machine tools into high-performance engines for customer satisfaction? The Siemens answer: PLM software for small businesses to increase machine tool utilization by 20%.